For today's science experiment, we will look at this orange and how it floats. Here are the materials we need: an orange, a big container of water, and a knife. First, I'm going to put this orange in the water. We can see that it floats pretty well. Now, this orange needs to be peeled. Now I'm going to put the peeled orange into the water. The peeled orange does not float at all. The orange and its peel reminds me a bit about the Sabbath. When we keep the Sabbath, it acts as a protection against sin and keeps our life afloat, like the peel kept the orange afloat. Let's remember to keep the Sabbath, to spend time with God and worship Him as our Creator.